G'day guys and welcome to the video. So what have we got today? Well, we've got more bling for the R7. Okay, so I picked this up off eBay. So what it is, it's a guard for the rear brake reservoir. So it should be a pretty easy fit. The existing bolt will go straight in through there. Should only take a few minutes. So we'll set you up over the bike and we'll install the guard. Okay, should be as simple as taking that nut off. That washer will come out, or it's actually attached to the reservoir. We'll see when we take it off. Yeah, okay, there's a rubber washer that's permanently attached to this, so then that cover, this should fit straight on like that, and just put the nut back on. Out of the way. That's nice and tight. Beautiful. Let's have a closer look on the bike, see what it looks like. Pretty straightforward install as you've seen. I'm really happy with it, looks really good, tidies it up. I actually did a lot of research on this and I could safely say that this will add zero advantage to your lap times, but it'll offer a bit of protection and just finishes the bike off nicely, makes it look really good in my opinion. So there you go guys, another little add-on to the R7. Of course I will throw that link in the description down below. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, stay safe, and I'll see you on the road.